The most important thing to solving these problem-solving situations, I think, is to do a quick sketch yourself. Okay, so what have they told you? Well, they've told you that this is the shape, this is what it looks like, and then they've told you that the perimeter of this shape is 60 centimeters. So what do you know then? Well, it means that 16 plus 16 plus x plus x plus x plus x equals 60. It's much easier if we write that in terms of how many x's have we got? 4 of them. 4 x's plus 16 plus 16 is 32 equals 60. And now we get into the skills of using algebra to be able to solve this. What I've told you is you have to have all the x's on one side of your equal sign, and you have to move all the numbers so that they're on the other side. So we want to move this 32 over here. In order to do that, we have to subtract 32 from both sides of the equal sign. Because if I do that, 32 minus 32 on the left-hand side gives me 0. And I'm allowed to do whatever I want as long as I do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. So what do I get then? Well, on the left-hand side I get 4x equals, and now I've just moved the 32 to the other side, but when I move it over to the other side it becomes minus if it was plus on this side. So 60 minus 32 would be 28. 28 plus 32 is 60, so that's right. So now I've got that 4 lots of x equal 28. Well, I don't want to know what 4 lots of x is, I want to know what 1 lot of x is. How can I do that? Well, if I divide both sides of my equation by 4 here, 4 divided by 4 will give me what 1 lot of x is. If I divide this side of the equal side by 4, I have to divide the other side of the equal side by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So the 4's cancel here, giving me that x equals 7. Am I ready? No, because I want to make sure that I haven't done a silly mistake here. So if I'm smart, I actually put the value of x equals 7 into here and see if I've done it right. Because if I'm right, I should be able to write 4 times whatever x is, which I now know is 7, plus 32. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 32 does equal 60, which was what I was expecting from there. Now I know that I've done everything right. So the check is super important here as well. Okay, so step by step, structure, formula, using the equation, doing the same thing to both sides of the equal sign, you can solve any algebraic expression.